My grandfather's stories. My grandfather is getting old. When I was younger, he would carry me on his shoulders, and we would go for a walk. Now, my grandfather has a hard time walking. He uses a cane to help him. My grandfather used to have lots of hair, but now he is bald. His skin is more wrinkled than it used to be. He takes more naps than he used to, and goes to the doctor for his heart. I love my grandfather very much. I don't like that he is getting older, but my mother says it's a part of life. Sometimes my grandfather forgets things. My mother tells me to be patient, and I am. I try to help my grandfather as much as I can. I go for walks with him and help him when he has trouble. I cheer him up when he is sad. I get things for him and even read to him at night. He used to read to me when I was little. Now his eyesight is bad, and he can't see very well. My grandfather tells me stories about when he was a boy. The world was a very different place then. His stories are interesting.